Welcome to Lesson 4 of Model 3, Career Opportunities in AI. Today, we delve into how artificial intelligence is reshaping the professional landscape, creating unprecedented opportunities across diverse sectors, from healthcare to finance, from content creation to sales. AI's influence is pervasive and transformative. AI is not just a tool for tech companies. It's empowering professionals across all industries to enhance their skills, streamline their processes, and boost efficiency. In healthcare, AI helps in diagnosing diseases and managing patient care more effectively. In finance, it's used for risk assessment and fraud detection. Educators are using AI for personalized learning and automating administrative tasks. In sales and marketing, AI tools are revolutionizing how businesses understand and reach customers. In creative fields like content creation, AI assists in everything from writing articles to composing music and even editing videos. Let's explore how AI is specifically enhancing roles in various fields. Software developers are using AI to automate repetitive tasks and improve software quality through faster debugging and innovative predictive analytics. Marketing managers utilize AI to craft targeted campaigns based on deep consumer data analysis, personalizing messages at scale, and managing digital ad placements efficiently. Data analysts employ AI to handle large datasets more effectively, deriving insights that inform better business decisions through advanced predictive models and interactive data visualizations. The impact of AI extends further. Content creators leverage AI for generating creative ideas and drafts, and for enhancing multimedia content like videos and music, boosting both creativity and productivity. Business analysts and consultants harness AI to streamline business operations and offer strategic insights, enhancing decision-making with data-driven analysis. Sales professionals use AI for efficient lead generation and customer behavior analysis, significantly enhancing sales strategies and outcomes. As AI continues to evolve, specialized roles are becoming more prominent. AI research scientists and data scientists are in high demand for their skills in developing new AI algorithms and analyzing data to guide business strategies. AI software engineers and AI product managers play crucial roles in designing and implementing AI solutions that meet market needs. The landscape of AI-driven careers is rich. Marketing managers focused on AI are reshaping promotional strategies with advanced analytics. Ethics consultants are increasingly crucial as businesses strive to ensure their AI systems are used responsibly. In every sector, AI is creating roles that require a new blend of skills, including technical expertise in AI and machine learning, strategic thinking, ethical judgment, and more. These positions offer attractive salaries and the opportunity to be at the forefront of technological innovation. AI's role in the professional world is expansive and growing. By understanding the opportunities it presents, you can better prepare to navigate this new landscape. So thank you for joining today's session on the exciting career opportunities created by AI. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we will conclude this model with a comprehensive summary of everything we have learned. See you there.